So I'm going to do a bold lip look on Kat today. I'm going to use the Creamy Matte lipstick, but first up I'm going to line the lip, but I want to get a really sharp lip line, and the pencil is going to be the best tool to do that. I'm going to start in the Cupid's bow, start by defining that, getting my shape, and then filling the outsides. I like to lie the pencil on the side. It just helps with it being nice and steady and getting a sharper line rather than using the tip of the pencil. Once you've done the line, now just fill in the remainder of the lip. So again, lie the pencil on the side and just bring the color all the way into the center of the mouth on both top and bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the Creamy Matte lip. I'm going to apply it straight off the stick. I'm going to start with the top lip, starting from the outside and working my way in, just in small dabbing strokes. Once you feel the center of the lip in, then just come back in with your lip brush to work on the line of the lip just to keep it really sharp. Same theory as the pencil, I like to lie the brush on the side, start from the outside and work your way up to the peak on the Cupid's bow, and then repeat on the other side.